Cheers.
Woke up bright and early, and we're gonna see the sunrise in a pretty unique way. That's right, we're going on a hot air balloon over Sedona with a nice, beautiful sunrise. We're blowing it up right now, and we should be going up in the air in just a little bit, maybe like 10 minutes or more. The basket is so small. I don't know if we're all gonna.
There's a lot of people going into this basket.
Everybody in kind of quickly, so come on over.
Yep.
It's happening.
You are right over there.
Just a wee bit chilly this morning.
Oh man.
Oh, we're gonna just.
Oh man.
Best way to catch a sunrise.
Best way to catch a sunrise.
My toes are frozen. Oh, it's painful.
Thank you.
video of me. She asked how my balloon ride was. Very informative. Rowan, how long have you do you live in this area?
Oh, gosh, 37 years.
Okay. It's very smooth.
It's incredible. So we're trying to land.
On the road.
In that area, guys.
Trying to land on the road. He said bend your knees and grab onto something.
Yeah, pull offside the road, turn your flashers on, and walk over this way as soon as I get across this fence. I'll come down. I think I might have to go back up one more time, come back over the fence. Brace yourself. Go forward a little bit. Get out of here, then we'll take it down to this hill. We're starting to get some breeze. Can you drive up in here? If you can, I think we have a key to this gate, but we gotta hurry and find out.
Unexpected landing spot. But I think we did it.
We survived.
We're gonna do a little toast with everyone that was on the balloons today. That was in the balloons today. We're gonna do we're gonna do a little toast with everyone that rode in the baskets today. Okay, hold on. We're gonna do a little toast with everyone that had a ride today.
Now, as most people know, champagne and ballooning go together, but not everybody knows the historical reason why, so I'm going to tell you. These Frenchmen would take off and quite often land in farmers' fields. Now, these farmers, having never seen an aircraft of any sort before, much less a balloon, and having been in church just the Sunday before where the preacher told them, "Doesn't flies but angels and demons." Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, sister. I love those French Southern Baptists. Well, they'd look up and see this smoke belching, fire breathing demon coming at them, and like French farmers are prone to do, they would immediately surrender. I'm sorry, that's the French army. So anyway, they started carrying champagne on board to show that not only were they human, but they were civilized Frenchmen. They could offer the farmers some, and if things still got out of hand, this bottle makes a great club. Somewhere along the line, the Irish found out there was drinking involved in the ballooning, so they got into it. And the Irish have a blessing for just about everything they participate in. They wrote one for ballooning that was originally written to be said prior to the flight, because back then they needed all the help they could get. Now it's said afterwards to toast, but I'm going to say it the way it was originally written, not in Gaelic, but in the future tense. So if I can get everybody to face the rising sun.
Is it this way? That way? Well, don't look at me! It's
Okay,
this way.
I want you to know something, that you gave in, but not you. She hung in there with me, didn't you? You stayed this way, because you and I both know that if we stand and face this way long enough, we will see the sun. It takes about 11 hours. May the winds bless you with softness. May the sun welcome you with his warm hands. May you fly so high and so well that God joins you in laughter and returns you again gently to the loving arms of Mother Earth. Welcome to ballooning, folks, and cheers.
Cheers.
And breakfast is served.
Cheers it.
Cheers one more time. Cheers.
Don't know what it is.
Fritter of some sort.
Just got back. They just dropped us off. That was really fun.
That was incredible. I was scared. I had anxiety last night because I don't like heights, but that was worth it.
I wasn't scared at all. I actually was like oddly calm. And there was 7 total, including the pilot, in the basket. I didn't think we could fit, but we all fit. It was a little tight, not too bad. It was actually warmer the higher we got up. We landed, and then there was 4 other groups that we all got together with. We did a nice toast and a little breakfast.
We got our certificates of flight. I don't know what it means, but we got one. So if you come to Sedona, the only thing we can recommend is the hot air balloon flight. It's the only thing we did, but I'm convinced that that's probably one of the best things to do here.
The reason that we chose this specific event or activity is because it was, to me, the best way to see Sedona. You go over at sunrise, you literally see all of Sedona. You see Jerome, which is a ghost town. You get such a different perspective than if you just did something here on the ground. So I really wanted to, I don't know, just see kind of Arizona or this area in general in a different way. So I think that it was worth it. Totally awesome. Highly recommend. Ron was our pilot and he was super informative. He knows so much. We saw wild pigs. We saw some deer. Yeah. Since we had to wake up so early this morning, I think that we're gonna go grab some coffee. We need to feed the dogs and let them out. They've just been hanging out here. So I think we're gonna go do that right now. Chippy, are you happy? Look where we are! Nolly! Look where we are! This super rad camp spot. Look at this view. And if you move just slightly over here, look at that off in the distance. But the best view of all, my favorite view, is this one.
Setting up camp.
We're right outside Sedona. I think we're maybe 20 minutes max from Sedona. South of Sedona. Drove through that town, super cute. McDonald's is blue though, which is weird because everywhere else it's golden arches, but it's blue arches. I looked it up, and the reason that McDonald's arches are blue in Arizona is because the gold didn't match the scenery, which is kind of interesting. So I'm curious if all of their like bags and cups have blue on them too, or if it's the golden, I don't know. Anyways, we really wanted to escape the snow and soak up some sun. We're gonna have a fire tonight. I've been waiting to have a fire, and I'm really happy that it's gonna be nice weather. It's in the 60s, it's about 1 o'clock, and it's Sunday, so no complaints. I think the dogs are having a good time. She's peeing.